No Yog, Live Yog, Chapter 19, Skeletal-Muscular System. Our physical existence gets structural base with the help of skeleton system. External appearance of every individual is provided by skeleton system. Every individual is provided by the skeleton system. Height, weight, structure, and color are some of the external relevant aspects of skeleton system. The length of bones, skin, and internally located muscles make our appearance visible. All the important system and organs get completely support and protection due to the skeleton system. Our movement and other metabolism becomes easy with the help of muscular system. Skeleton system and its efficiency primarily depends on the muscular system, which gives shape and structure to the body. The muscles join the bones and the internal organs as well. There are various types of bones depending on the organs. The bones of legs, hands are comparatively long and hard and can move in various directions. The bones of feet and the palms are many in number with lots of joints, enabling us to have various movements. Our major activities are with the help of hands and legs. Legs give us mobility, whereas hands give us reach. The bones of chest are typical structures in the forms of ribs, which are different size posing like a cage to protect lungs and heart. They have capacity to expand and contract, facilitating movements of the lungs and alluvial. The skull bones are flat and firmly joined, giving complete protection to the brain and the nervous system. At the bottom of the skull, there is a spine originates. The structure of the spinal column is really a typical one composed of 33 vertebrae. They are rough and irregular shaped bones, joined together with structural nerves and spinal cords. The spinal cord passes through the spinal column. The spinal column is structured with different vertebrae situated in neck, back and lower back, neck, back and lower back. Due to the straight and vertical pattern of the human body, the spinal column has 4 natural curves. The 7 cervical vertebrae are located in the neck. The pair of 12 vertebrae are connected to the rib cage, the lumbar and sacrum, and coccyx from the lower back. They work as shock absorbers. The spine is the most important structure support to the human body. It facilitates various physical activities with ease and comfort. The flexibility of spine allows stretch, twist, forward and backward bending. Yogic practices aim at physical stability, flexibility and neuromuscular coordination for various activities. If the mind is not attached with various actions, more energy is needed and also may lead to physical hazards. All the asanas has impact on the spinal column and abdominal cavity. Any type of bend, stretch, twist creates positive impact on these 2 vital parts of the body. Since the spinal cord passes through spine, it connects to all the important organs of the body with various nerve tissues. All the sensory and the motor activities or actions are monitored by the spinal cord. Due to the various type of structured movements done in asana, the coordination between the muscle and the nervous system enhances, especially the reflex action of the body improves with ease and comfort. 20th chapter, nervous system. Before we understand various functional systems in the body, it is important to understand the major system which controls all these systems. All the functions of the body are controlled by this system, which is comparatively advanced in human beings compared to the other living organisms. This system has three main components: central nervous system, that is CNS, peripheral nervous system, that is PNS, and automatic nervous system, that is ANS. The total functions of the body happen in coordination with the brain system at sympathetic and parasympathetic system. Nervous tissue is the smallest part which works as the sensory organ. Various such nervous tissues compose of total system. Nerves have three functions: sensory, motor, and mixed. They get the message from a various organ and transform the orders from brain into action through the various organs. Brain is the important organ located in skull with complete protection. All types of human behavioral aspect originates in brain. Also, the most important aspect, awareness, also is a faculty of brain which differentiates human from other living beings. It has is divided into three parts: forebrain, that is cerebrum, middle brain, that is cerebellum, and the hind brain, that is the brainstem. It has three protective sheets, meninges, and the two inner ones has a cushion of a cerebrospinal fluid, that is CFS. The CFS gives nourishment to brain. Brain has two hemispheres, right and left. The right brain faculty is creativity, and the left one is logical thinking and calculation, etc. Thalamus is the relay center of all emotions, and hypothalamus is a center of analysis of emotion. Various functions happen in midbrain which we are not even aware. The medulla oblongata take care of various daily functions. Pons also have two parts, right and left. If control the balance of the body and coordinate the function of medulla. Brain needs constant blood supply and function with 20% of oxygen blood supply. In the various part of the brain, the prefrontal lobe controls all the voluntary activities. Parietal lobe analyzes the sensation. Temporal lobe analyzes the words and their meanings, whereas occipital lobe analyzes the things which are seen by us. Spinal cord passes through the spinal cord and has spinal column and has nervous tissues which handle all sensory and motor activities. The various sensory organs have very important contribution to our day-to-day life. Along with the CNS and PNS, that is central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, autonomous nervous system maintains an internal homeostasis of the body. It has two parts, sympathetic and parasympathetic. They are under the control of hypothalamus, which is a miracle of nature. It analyzes the unseen emotions which have direct impact on all our activities. Hypothalamus also controls the endocrine system of the body. Depending on the quality and intensity of the thoughts and emotions, it coordinates the body function in association with endocrine system. All the glands in the endocrine system are under the control of pituitary glands. Both the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems are required for human existence. therefore cannot be differentiated quantitatively. Sympathetic system stimulates the human body, whereas the parasympathetic system preserves the energy. The response of stressful life system, that is sympathetic system, is always active, whereas parasympathetic system maintain the mental balance. In order to have proper balance between the nervous system and muscular system, both these systems should be balanced in balanced state. The sympathetic system should be less active when not needed, which allows the parasympathetic system to take over the functions and give required rest to all the systems. In total era of psychosomatic diseases, proper balance between the two systems is very much essential. Today's majority of diseases originate due to the mental disturbance, which are required to be managed properly through the various means. In the available means, yoga sadhana is the best alternative, as it brings a balance on all levels of human existence. Primarily, all the asana brings perfect neuromuscular coordination with fair amount of relaxation. The the activities are controlled through the high centers of the brain, which give the rest to regular controlling centers. Practice of various mudras, bandhas regulates the endocrine system naturally. Practice of antaranga sadhana brings physical involvement to minimum and allows the unused sensitivity to the maximum level. This gives way to parasympathetic system to work more, which is need of time. Regular yoga sadhana reveals all these changes visibly through changed behavioral patterns. We can certainly conclude that yoga sadhana is the only simple and safe, proper way to manage the nervous system.